Okay, we're in Access Skill 4.8. Your code word for this is going to be dark, D-A-R-K. Looking at adding a calculated field to a query. Basically, we have this query we've been working on. We open it up. It's in Design View. When I wanted to add a calculated field, basically a calculated field is not the data that's in a field. It's a calculation based on data in fields. It'll make more sense as I get into this example. So the first thing I do is I click here in this open location in the field, right? This is where you can see I have cost, title, author. I click in here and I say this is, I'm going to add my calculated field here. Then make sure you're on the query tools, you're on the design tab. In the query setup area here, click on the builder. This is where we're going to build our calculated field. So let's throw you can see I have my query here. I've named it Books 1. If you're doing this yourself, you may need to save. Well, you will need to save your query if you haven't already, in order to have the fields in your query show up here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to double click on cost, and it goes up here. And what I can do then is say times, or put the star in there, and let's say times by 0.85. We're going to see what the price would be at 85% of the cost. Okay, I add that in. Down here you can see expression 1 colon, it adds that cost times 0.85. That's going to be the name of the field in my results. So if I run this now, you can see expression 1, it shows the cost times 0.85 in there for me. It does that calculation for me. If I want that to be something different, let's say the reason I chose 0.85 is because this is the member cost. So the regular cost, and then there's a member cost. Maybe members, they all get a 15% discount. So I just changed that expression 1 to member cost. And now when I run it, you can see the name of the field is member cost there. So this $5 book is $4.25 for the member. This $100 book is $85 for the member, or $84.99. This $8 book is $6.80 for the member. That's basically it for adding a calculated field. You can do other things with that. If you want to do more, if you want to go deeper with that, I suggest you do look into that and see what you can find. There's pretty cool stuff you can do with that. That's as far as we're going to get with this lesson though, and that is skill 4.8. Well,